Okay, so let's go back to Unity and test that out. Okay, so when the game starts, okay, the first enemy will appear, the second enemy will appear, and the third enemy will appear. Okay, now we want the enemy to move. Okay, so we will need to implement some sort of enemy AI to the enemy. Okay, to do that, let's go back to mono develop. Okay, and let's go to our enemy script. Okay, so when the enemy hits the ground, hits a platform, it will decide to go left or right. So that means we can reuse some of our code from our player. Okay, we will also have some enemy attributes. Okay, say for example, enemies have health. Okay, let's call it current HP and max HP. Okay, we will not be showing the HP for the enemy, but it is to keep track for when the enemy gets defeated or not. Okay, and other than that, okay, that's all the attributes that we need for now. Oh wait, do we need any other attributes? Yes. Attack power. Okay, we will need attack power for the enemy as well, so we will know how much damage the enemy can do to your character. Okay, so we have our animator, we have our HP, current HP and max HP, we have our attack power, and we need movement. Okay, so that we will know if the enemy is moving right or left. Move force. Okay. Move. Okay, so the move force is applied to the enemy to make it move. Okay, so let's copy this as well. Okay, this will be in fix update. Okay, fix update is more for doing things on a physics basis, or rather in synchronization with the physics engine. Oh, okay, this is a spawner. Okay, it should be done in the enemy script. Okay, so we need a max speed as well. So the max speed, let's say it is 3. Okay, let's say it as 3 for now. Okay, and we need the H. Okay, so to get the H, we need to simulate that someone or something is pushing the enemy. Okay, so to get the H value, H is okay, so let's go back to Unity to get the H value. Okay, when the character is not moving, H is 0. Okay, so as you can see here, the maximum H is 1. Okay, so let's go to our enemy script. Okay, and let's uncomment this. And let's call H 1. Okay, let's copy and paste all of this because we will need them. Okay. So when the enemy hits the ground, it will start moving. So okay, let's create a method called start moving, and we will say if start moving equals to false, if start moving equals to true. Okay, if start moving if not, if start moving, that is if it hasn't started moving yet, okay. Okay, if start moving, if we want it to move, then it will move. Okay, so when it hits the ground, it will start moving. Okay. And let's see. Okay, let's go back to Unity first. Okay, and let's go to our animation. Okay, we will need to link the animations together. So we need a boolean called if facing right. Okay, so when it is facing right, it's not facing right, it will show the move left animation. And if it is facing right, it will go back to the moving right animation. Okay. Start moving. Okay, so when it hits on ground, you will need to decide if it will move left or move right. Okay. So if start moving, okay, we will randomly decide for it to move left or move right. Okay, random number equals to random dot range 1 3, or rather we can just do this if random dot range equals to 2 h times equals to -1 else h times equals to 1. H equals to -1 or h equals to 1. Okay, that is more straightforward. Okay, so let's go back to Unity. Okay. Okay, so let's test and see if that works. Okay, so as you can see, the enemy is starting to move, but because we keep calling it to move left and right, it looks like as if it is trembling. So we do not want that. So we have to change it to move one direction only until it is not on the ground anymore. Okay? Okay, but for today, that is all for today's live stream session. So I will see all of you in around 3 days time on this Thursday evening or this Friday morning, depending on which part of the world you are from. Okay, so I hope everyone have a great day ahead. Peace out.